If you want a pantry staple that's easy to use in both sweet and savory recipes or just a snack on, these are so versatile. First, I want to thank the brand for sending this over for me to try out. These are the Viva Naturals pumpkin seeds, and I really like that they're ready to eat. They are unroasted, unsalted, which makes them great not just for snacking, but for salads, trail mix, all the things, but also they're really nice for baking. Since they're unroasted and unsalted, they are ideal for adding to breads, cakes, muffins, anything that you want to add them to. It's not really going to change the flavor profile of your recipes. They're also a very good source of iron and dietary fiber, and they're an easy way to add a little nutritional boost to things like yogurt, oatmeal, granola, smoothies. I'm going to give you a close-up look because I really want you to see them. Another thing I think you will appreciate is all the certifications. So they are USDA and they're also non-GMO, project verified and certified gluten-free, vegan, kosher, paleo, and keto. They fit in a lot of different lifestyles. The 1 pound bag is a nice size to keep in your pantry because you can use them for meal prep or just snacking, seriously. If you are looking for a versatile pantry staple that works in literally everything from salads to baked goods, this is definitely one to check out. Now, I'm going to tell you, I've just been munching on them. I'm going to really take like a handful of these, and I hate to admit it, but I literally just pop them in my mouth. These are phenomenal. So again, if you're looking for something like this, please go check them out. Absolutely amazing product.